In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to access archived emails in Gmail. Let's get started. First, launch your Gmail. Now navigate to the inbox. Here you're gonna find all of your mails. So first up, I'm gonna archive few of the mails. For that, you will need to click on this arrow kind of icon. Now where can you find it? Here you're gonna find different tabs such as promotions, social, and updates. But you won't find the option of archive. Clicking on these three dots, likewise clicking on this drop down, you're gonna get different option but not the archive one. Now to access your archive mails, click on this option more, then click on the option all mail. With that, you'll be directed to this page where you're gonna find all of your mails that will also include the archive mail. For the archive mails, you're gonna find these kind of grayed out arrows, whereas for unarchived mails, you're gonna find dark drop down arrows. So that's all for this video. This way you can easily access archived emails in Gmail. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.